Today I want to discuss on the BIM technology, building information modeling. We can say that the most of the construction clients and the contractors, they are not agree to use the design documents to the construction in the directly, because 92% of the clients are not satisfied with that, and 10% of the projects can't never achieve on the deadline of the construction timeline. So guys, you can easily understand that BIM is how much importance to us, because this is a one kind of technology where we can create the models and to validate the design documents with the models and raise the RFIs, means request for information, and that after that the update the model and then coordinated with that other discipline like architecture, structure, mechanical, all those things. Then we will update that particular models and extract the software and extract the schedule, means bill of quantity or material takeoff, all those things. So we can easily understand of that particular project's information and directly send to the clients they will be using for the construction. So guys, you can easily understand that BIM is how much importance, and before construction it is the most important things to meet any kind of deadlines and the time boundations, because we will create the 4D simulations also. There we can easily understand that timeline and the project boundation and the project timeline. So that is the most important thing to meet any kind of projects that will hamper the particular project. The research says that 10% of the projects never meet in that particular reality. So guys, you can easily understand that how much is important, because importance is there, because 10% of that project is very huge cost compared to the total cost of that project. So 17% of the total project material taken is goes to the wasted as a wasted material. So this 17% is amount is very much. So from that model, and our BIM industry, in the BIM industry, that 70% is reduced to 0%. That is our motto. So that cost is hampered to the directly to the total project of the total cost of the. So in that case, BIM is very essential to reduce the cost of the total projects and to maintain the delivery schedule in a timely manner. So guys, you can easily understand that BIM, how it will work and what is the benefit of that particular BIM industry. Most of the AEC industry, like architecture, engineering, construction industry, they are preferred for BIM, because they know very well that is very important, and these models is help them to understand and visualize the particular any kind of design and drawings for the AEC industry. So it will be very helpful to them so that they can easily create any type of innovative buildings or innovation for that particular project. So this is a very helpful to them also. Now guys, we are in that particular stage where we need to understand how we will work. What is the main role and function of that particular BIM? What are the benefits of that particular BIM? We need to understand first. Now we can we goes to the software and tools. Basically, we use the software is AutoCAD, Revit, Navisworks, Civil 3D, Inventor. All these kind of software is used for the BIM industry, and other software also using for that. A major this software is basically using for the BIM industry. Now we need to coordinate and the others. Nowadays the cloud server also they using for the BIM, because people's are projects is in the other country, and people are working together, so need to collaborate, and coordination is done by cloud. So that is very helpful and very modern technique. There we can easily understand, easily check the classes and comment on that particular class, so that that directly goes to the construction engineers and contractors. We can easily understand that there is a class and need to be rectified. So this is a BIM is the platform where we can do these kind of things, and accurate material take-up also is a most important thing to for a particular construction projects. I hope so far so clear for the BIM industry, and the tools, techniques, and the benefits of that particular industry. Now we will make a video on that software, so that you can easily understand how it will work in the upcoming video. So please follow my channels and subscribe that channel, so that I can get more motivated for the making the videos. And please comment on us that what kind of video you are looking for. I will be sending you the more video on that particular BIM industry. That will be very helpful to understand that BIM technologies and working functionalities of that particular things, and that will be very helpful to you guys, that it will be implemented in your work style and in your company. And there is a huge opportunity in this industry to get the more innovative jobs and job creations, and you can go in foreigns also. There will be lots of opportunities there, and this BIM is never taught in any kind of university institute. So if you guys are interested to learn about this, please comment on us, so that we can make more videos on the BIM and software and tools. Then you can easily get knowledge from that videos, and you can learn by own in your home. So this is a best platform I am going to provide you guys. So please follow my channel and subscribe and comment on us what kind of things you are looking for. Thank you. Bye bye.